Hi, friends. Recently, I have seen people on Facebook talk about how Facebook ads don't work. Okay, that's actually not true. If your Facebook ads aren't working, there's two reasons behind it. Number one, people are not clicking because your ad is not enticing to them. Is your ad about you or is it about them? Is it actually capturing their attention? There are things your ads need in order to get people to even click on them in the first place. Now, if people are clicking on your ad and they're going to your website, but you don't have any sales, the problem isn't the ad, the problem is your website. Let me repeat that. If people are going to your website and still not buying your product or your services, your problem isn't the ad, your problem is the website, okay? If that's the issue, please schedule an appointment with me. We can go over your website together. I can tell you exactly what needs to be fixed, even if you don't hire me to fix it for you, okay? So go to amberwheeler.com and then up in the top, select make an appointment, and we'll get together in the new year so you do not have to lose out on more money and sales in 2021.